Welcome to Chris's Bread. Today I'm going to show you how to make 100% whole wheat sourdough bread. Whole wheat flour has a husk. It will take all the liquid out of the dough. So I put less flour than usual recipe calls because if you put more flour, it will be dry bread. Because whole wheat flour doesn't have much as a gluten as white flour, it will not rise as if you mix with white flour or white flour bread. So let's make this sourdough bread.
Measure out the starter and add salt and water and whole wheat flour. When we making bread with 100% whole wheat flour, we will need to really work on our muscles. So mix it well until it clears from the bowl and put it on a hard surface and really work through to build that gluten that we wanted. So at least 12-15 minutes, knead by hand, and put it in an oiled bowl. Make sure you cover all the sides with the oil and cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise. 3 hours or so, until it's doubled. And when it's time to shape, be very gentle with the dough because we're using less flour than recipe calls for regular sourdough bread. The dough will be quite sticky. So gently, not to deflate all the airs out. Then it's going to be very dense bread. And I already floured the banneton, so smooth side down. If you're using baking sheet, you can put smooth side up. And sprinkle with whole wheat flour, so it's not going to stick to the banneton. Cover with the towel and let it rise for 2 hours until doubled. And when it's time to put it in the oven, I use a baking board, sprinkle with corn flour, or you can sprinkle with whole wheat flour and turn it upside down and score the bread at 45-degree angles, quarter or half an inch deep, and put it on a pizza stone. Cover with cast iron or roast pan, covered for 20 minutes bake, and uncovered 10-15 minutes more until nice golden color. So now you know how to make 100% whole wheat sourdough bread, and enjoy your bread.